Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your account. So verifying your account is very important. Okay, you'll be able to deposit and withdraw without any problems or restrictions. So all you need to do is simply click on this drop down and go to your account settings. Then click on settings. From here, scroll down and click on verification. So the good thing about Weltrade is that you only need your ID documents to verify your account. So verifying your ID is easy and it's not a problem for everyone. But for other brokers, you're also requested to verify your address. So it's not everyone that lives on their own that pay for the bills on themselves. Okay, so verifying addresses is really a struggle for many people. But with Weltrade, that's not required. You just have to upload any form of identification that you may have, and it's that easy, and that's it. So for that, all you need to do is click on identity verification. So I've not verified mine, and this is when I want to do it. But for security reasons, I will not show you the entire process on how you verify your account. But at least I've shown you the steps you need to take for you to reach on this page, and I've told you or shown you what is required of you. So click on identity verification, then it will open up in a new tab. So now I have to choose what type of document I'd like to upload. So I have an ID card, which is an NRC in Zambia. I've got a passport, I've got a driver's license. I do not have a domestic passport, I do not have a voting card. Yeah, so the document which is near me right now, I think it's my driver's license. I think it's the one which I'm going to upload. Okay, so for this, okay, you can continue with a computer, but I think it's best that you continue on your phone. So if you want, you can continue on your phone or you continue on a laptop, but I think I'll continue with my phone because with my phone, it's easy to capture the license. But if I'm going to use a laptop, it's going to be a problem trying to capture it. And eventually I'll have to use a phone, like take the photos, then send them to the laptop, then upload. Like it's a long process. But I'm going to continue this on the phone because it will be much faster. So all I need to do is simply copy this link or scan this code. So I think I'm going to scan this code on my phone and it's going to open up. So I think this is where the recording ends. You won't be able to see what I'm doing on my phone, but I'll be explaining on whatever steps I'm taking. So right now I've opened the link. So let me just grab my driver's license real quick. Okay, I've grabbed my license. Okay, so now it's asking me to take photos. So it's telling me that I have to hold the document straight and I have to keep the document in frame and I have to use a plain background and I have to ensure the text is clear and ensure that the light is okay. Okay, so I'm now taking the front of the driver's license. Okay, I've captured the front and I've submitted it. Okay, now I'm requested to take a photo of the back side. Let me just do that. Okay, I've submitted the back side of the driver's license as well. Okay, it's still uploading. Okay, so it's now telling me that I should wait for 1 minute as they are checking my documents. Okay, so it's asking me now to confirm my data. So the first name, nationality, gender, date of birth, document number, okay, issue date, expiry date. Then I'll click on confirm. Everything seems to be correct. Okay, so it's saying that the profile has been approved, the document has been approved as well, as you can see now on the screen. Everything okay is completed. So as you can see, as compared to other brokers, where verification is usually done manually and it takes days, but for Weltrade it's instant. Okay, So now I'll be able to deposit and withdraw without any limits at all. So as you can see, this was instant. Okay, I didn't have to wait for days for this to happen. All right, so it's that easy. So you can sign up with Weltrade. The link will be in the description. Bye for now. This is Keith.